Hey guys, my name is Jace. Today I'm on the trampoline, but it's raining. And today I'm going to Idaho to meet some family. And that's pretty far from here. But I'm just going to be on my trampoline for a little bit. And this might be the last video I make for a couple days. But I might make some vids while I'm going there because, I don't know, I might see some nice scenery or something. But see you guys later. Or not later. I'm making a video right now. Whoa. Sorry if the camera gets a little watery. It's raining, but it's kind of nice to do flips while it's raining. But anyways, I don't know what tricks I'm going to do other than a bunch of back flips. I could try a front flip with the phone. Here, let's try it. Whoa! Oh, I got my head on. That couldn't have been any cooler without it being planned. The front flip. Oh god. I don't know what to do. It's raining so much. It's hard to do some tricks. I could try a corkscrew with my phone. You guys have never seen me do a corkscrew, and I don't know how to do it. So I'm trying to learn how to do it. But maybe I should learn a gainer first. That was kind of cool. I'm going to show you guys a backflip from my perspective. Yes, I actually did just face plant the phone. Ow, that hurt. Well, this is kind of boring. Thought this was going to be funner since it's in the rain, but it's not really. Woo! Comment down below what tricks I should learn, because there's a lot of tricks I could try to learn. Some are just really hard to learn. I'm not going to be on trampoline anymore. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm probably just going to go inside. Maybe end the video there, or I'll show you guys some cartwheels maybe. But anyways, when I'm going to Idaho, I'll try to post a couple videos while I'm there. But I'm going to be pretty busy, especially on the car ride. But, yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm not ending it, but make sure to like and subscribe. Click that notification so you get posted on when new videos come out. You should probably do it because I don't post often, and when I do post, it's pretty cool. But anyways, I don't know what I'm going to do right now. I'm probably just going to show some cartwheels right here. I finally learned how to do cartwheels, like good cartwheels. It's okay, but I'm trying to learn how to do them really good. And I'm going to do a couple of these, and then I'll end the video there. But anyways, there's a cartwheel. Woo! Off frame there for a second. Here. Maybe that will do a little bit of difference. Yep. Anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.